Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. Welcome to ReneEnergy, your platform for renewable energy and sustainability. Today, we'll take you into the heart of a landmark initiative, the World Bank's first ever loan to promote green hydrogen projects in Chile. This $150 million loan signifies a global commitment to green growth, energy transition, and climate change mitigation. Join us as we explore the ins and outs of this transformative project and what it means for our sustainable future. Background on green hydrogen. Green hydrogen represents a promising solution in the global effort to reduce carbon emissions and transition to more sustainable energy sources. Unlike traditional hydrogen production methods that often rely on fossil fuels, green hydrogen is produced by splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen using electrical energy derived from renewable sources, such as solar and wind power. This process ensures that the hydrogen is clean and free from greenhouse gas emissions. The potential applications of green hydrogen are vast. It can be utilized in sectors where electrification might be challenging, including heavy industry, manufacturing, and long-distance transportation. Additionally, green hydrogen can be stored for extended periods, providing a solution for grid stability and energy security. Chile's national green hydrogen strategy. Chile has positioned itself as a global leader in the green hydrogen market, aiming to produce the world's lowest cost hydrogen by 2030 and be among the top 3 hydrogen exporters by 2040. The country's national green hydrogen strategy outlines ambitious goals that leverage Chile's abundant renewable resources, such as vast solar and wind potential. Key aspects of Chile's strategy include attracting significant private investment, estimated to reach up to $330 billion, and fostering partnerships with international organizations. By 2050, the green hydrogen industry could generate substantial export revenue, potentially reaching $30 billion. Chile's proactive approach reflects a broader understanding of the global shift towards cleaner energy sources, positioning the country at the forefront of technological innovation and economic opportunity. The importance of global collaboration. The development and deployment of green hydrogen cannot be achieved in isolation. Global collaboration is essential to overcome technological challenges, reduce costs, and create robust markets. International organizations, governments, private sectors, and research institutions must work together to accelerate the transition towards a hydrogen-based energy system. The World Bank's $150 million loan to promote green hydrogen projects in Chile is a prime example of international collaboration. Such initiatives support knowledge sharing, joint research, and development of common standards and regulations. Moreover, global partnerships foster the growth of green hydrogen in emerging markets and developing countries. By working together, nations can leverage collective expertise, resources, and innovation to realize the full potential of green hydrogen as a vital component of a sustainable and resilient global energy system. Together, these sections provide a comprehensive insight into the evolving landscape of green hydrogen, with a particular focus on Chile's pioneering role and the critical importance of collaboration on the international stage. The World Bank's commitment. Overview of the $150 million loan. In a landmark move to accelerate the development of green hydrogen projects in Chile, the World Bank Board of Directors approved a $150 million loan in June 2023. This loan aims to foster investment in green hydrogen initiatives, furthering Chile's journey toward green growth, energy transition, and commitment to achieving carbon neutrality by 2050. The financing will establish a blended finance fund for green hydrogen projects and develop risk mitigation instruments to enhance financing conditions. By leveraging both public and private investments, the loan is expected to generate additional resources from the private sector, potentially reaching a total investment of at least $280 million. Objectives and significance. The primary objective of the World Bank's loan is to support Chile's ambitious goals to position itself as a global leader in the green hydrogen industry. The project will have a significant impact on local communities where clean hydrogen will be produced and consumed, generating green jobs and helping decarbonize local industries. This initiative aligns with the global movement toward more environmentally responsible energy solutions. It is poised to serve as a model not only for Latin American and Caribbean nations but also for other countries worldwide looking to adopt green hydrogen as a key component of their energy transition. Historical context: the first World Bank loan for green hydrogen. The approval of this loan is historic, as it marks the World Bank's first ever loan dedicated to promoting green hydrogen. It signifies a pivotal moment in international finance and demonstrates a growing recognition of green hydrogen's potential role in mitigating climate change. The commitment from the World Bank highlights a willingness to pioneer investments in cutting-edge technologies and emerging industries. It sends a strong signal to other international entities, governments, and private investors about the importance and viability of green hydrogen projects. Chile Green Hydrogen Facility Project. Beneficiaries and community impact. The Chile Green Hydrogen Facility Project is designed to primarily benefit local communities where green hydrogen will be produced and used. By fostering the development of a clean energy source, the project aims to reduce carbon emissions, enhance local air quality, and contribute to overall environmental sustainability. Local residents stand to gain from improved energy security and potential reductions in energy costs as the industry scales. The growth of the green hydrogen sector in Chile will also create opportunities for education, training, and community engagement in renewable energy initiatives, making a lasting impact on the social fabric of the regions involved. Economic development and green job creation. The Chile Green Hydrogen Facility Project aligns with Chile's broader goals of green growth and resilient economic development. The investment in green hydrogen projects is expected to stimulate the economy by creating demand for new products and services, fostering innovation, and attracting foreign investment. The project is anticipated to create a considerable number of green jobs across various sectors including research, manufacturing, transportation, and maintenance. These new employment opportunities will contribute to economic diversification and offer a pathway for skilled labor, particularly in regions that might be transitioning away from traditional energy-intensive industries. Technical assistance and risk mitigation. To ensure the successful implementation of the project, the Chilean Production Development Corporation, Corfo, will oversee a multifaceted approach involving technical assistance and risk mitigation. Technical assistance will be provided to various stakeholders to promote the development of the green hydrogen industry in Chile. This assistance will include support for research and development, technology adoption, capacity building, and creating supportive regulatory frameworks. In addition, the project includes the establishment of risk mitigation instruments to improve financing conditions for green hydrogen initiatives. This approach recognizes the potential uncertainties and risks associated with an emerging industry and aims to build confidence among investors and project developers. Risk mitigation strategies may involve guarantees, insurance products, and other financial mechanisms designed to reduce the perceived risks and barriers associated with investment in green hydrogen projects. Private sector involvement. Expected private investments. The Chile Green Hydrogen Facility Project represents a significant opportunity for private investment. The project is designed to catalyze the development of green hydrogen production in Chile, an emerging industry with vast potential. The World Bank's $150 million loan is expected to attract substantial private sector involvement, leveraging investments that could reach at least $280 million. Private investors are attracted to the burgeoning industry because of Chile's exceptional renewable resources, the government's supportive policies, and the global trend towards cleaner energy solutions. By tapping into these opportunities, private investments will play a pivotal role in accelerating the industry from pilot to commercial scale. Blended finance fund structure. The Chile Green Hydrogen Facility Project will employ a blended finance fund structure, combining public and private capital to finance green hydrogen initiatives. This innovative financing model aims to improve the risk-return profile of the investments, making them more attractive to private investors. By blending public funds, such as the World Bank's loan, with private capital, the project can provide more favorable financing conditions, lower the cost of capital, and reduce risks associated with investments in a new and evolving industry. This strategy encourages greater private sector participation, unlocking the necessary capital to realize Chile's ambitious green hydrogen goals. Opportunities for private investors. The Chilean green hydrogen industry offers a wide range of opportunities for private investors. These include direct investments in green hydrogen production, infrastructure development, technology innovation, and market expansion. Investors can engage in various stages of the green hydrogen value chain, from production and storage to transportation and end-use applications. Collaboration with local institutions, governmental bodies, and international organizations further enhances the investment landscape, providing a supportive environment for growth and innovation. Moreover, the global shift towards sustainable energy and the emphasis on decarbonizing various sectors create a long-term demand for green hydrogen. Private investors have the opportunity to position themselves at the forefront of this transformation, benefiting from both financial returns and alignment with sustainability objectives. Global implications and future prospects. Chile's position in the global green hydrogen market. Chile's proactive approach to green hydrogen production has positioned the country as a significant player in the global market. With abundant renewable resources, including solar and wind power, and a supportive governmental framework, Chile has all the ingredients to become a leading producer of green hydrogen. The Chile Green Hydrogen Facility project, supported by the World Bank and private investments, is a testament to Chile's ambition to harness its natural potential and embrace cleaner energy solutions. By 2030, Chile aims to produce the lowest cost hydrogen in the world and be among the world's top 3 hydrogen exporters by 2040. Potential export opportunities. Chile's strategic development of its green hydrogen industry opens up vast export opportunities. The country's commitment to producing low-cost green hydrogen makes it an attractive supplier for regions looking to decarbonize their energy systems. Potential export markets include neighboring Latin American countries, North America, Europe, and Asia, all of which are seeking sustainable energy alternatives. Chile's green hydrogen could be used in various sectors, including manufacturing, heavy or long-distance transport, and as an input for fertilizers. These broad applications increase the potential for diversified and robust export markets. Lessons for other Latin American and Caribbean countries. Chile's approach to developing its green hydrogen industry serves as a valuable model for other Latin American and Caribbean countries. Key lessons include: 1. Strategic planning, developing a comprehensive strategy that aligns with national resources, goals, and global trends. 2. Public-private collaboration, encouraging collaboration between public and private sectors to create favorable investment conditions and drive industry growth. 3. Innovation and technology adoption, focusing on research and development, and adopting innovative technologies to stay competitive in the global market. 4. Sustainability alignment, integrating green hydrogen development with broader sustainability and climate goals to create long-term value. 5. Risk mitigation, implementing effective risk mitigation strategies to instill confidence among investors and stakeholders. These insights can guide other countries in the region in designing and implementing their green hydrogen initiatives, contributing to a unified and robust transition towards sustainable energy across Latin America and the Caribbean. Green hydrogen potential and applications. Production process. Green hydrogen is produced by splitting water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen using an electrolyzer. Unlike traditional methods of hydrogen production that may rely on fossil fuels, green hydrogen utilizes electrical energy from renewable sources, such as solar and wind power. This ensures that the hydrogen produced is free from greenhouse gas emissions, earning its green designation. The production process can be scaled to meet varying demand levels and integrated with existing renewable energy infrastructure. This flexibility adds to the appeal of green hydrogen as a sustainable energy carrier. Applications in various sectors. Green hydrogen has a broad range of applications across various sectors, making it a versatile energy solution. 1. Transportation, used as a fuel for hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, including buses, trucks, and trains, offering a cleaner alternative to fossil fuels. 2. Industrial manufacturing, employed in various industrial processes, such as steel production, where it can replace carbon-intensive methods. 3. Energy storage and distribution, serves as a medium for storing and transporting energy, facilitating the integration of intermittent renewable sources into the grid. 4. Heating, can be used for residential and commercial heating purposes, offering a sustainable alternative to natural gas. 5. Agriculture, utilized in the production of green ammonia, an essential component for eco-friendly fertilizers. Environmental benefits and energy security. Green hydrogen's potential extends beyond its versatile applications to include significant environmental and societal benefits. 1. Reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. As green hydrogen is produced using renewable energy, it does not emit greenhouse gases, contributing to global climate change mitigation efforts. 2. Enhanced energy security. Green hydrogen can be produced locally using indigenous renewable resources, reducing reliance on imported fossil fuels and enhancing energy independence. 3. Air quality improvement. Utilizing green hydrogen in place of fossil fuels can lead to a reduction in air pollutants, improving local air quality and public health. 4. Support for renewable energy integration. The ability to store green hydrogen allows for greater integration of renewable energies into the grid, smoothing out fluctuations and enhancing grid stability. 5. Sustainable economic growth. Investing in green hydrogen can stimulate economic growth, create green jobs, and foster innovation in clean technology. The Hydrogen for Development, H4D, Partnership. Overview and objectives. The Hydrogen for Development H4D Partnership is a global initiative aimed at accelerating hydrogen deployment in emerging markets and developing countries. Recognizing the potential of hydrogen, especially green hydrogen, To contribute to sustainable energy and climate goals, the partnership brings together governments, private sector stakeholders, international organizations, and research institutions. The main objectives of the H4D partnership include 1. Facilitating collaboration and knowledge sharing among stakeholders. 2. Supporting the development of hydrogen-related policies, regulations, and standards. 3. Mobilizing financial resources to support hydrogen projects. 4. Promoting technological innovation and capacity building. Role of the Energy Sector Management Assistance Program, ESMAP. The Energy Sector Management Assistance Program, ESMAP, is a vital part of the H4D partnership, managing the initiative and coordinating efforts among various participants. ESMAP's responsibilities include 1. Providing technical assistance and expertise to countries seeking to develop hydrogen industries. 2. Conducting research and analysis to guide decision-making. 3. Organizing forums, workshops, and training to foster collaboration and knowledge exchange. 4. Mobilizing funding to support pilot projects, technology development, and market expansion. Challenges and considerations. Economic considerations. 1. Investment needs. Developing a hydrogen economy requires substantial capital investment in infrastructure, technology, and market development. 2. Cost competitiveness. Achieving cost parity with existing energy carriers is essential for broader adoption of hydrogen solutions. Technological challenges. 1. Technology maturity. Scaling up emerging hydrogen technologies to commercial levels requires further research, innovation, and demonstration projects. 2. Integration with existing systems. Integrating hydrogen into existing energy infrastructure presents technical and engineering challenges. Policy and regulatory landscape. 1. Regulatory framework. Developing clear and supportive regulations is essential for creating a conducive environment for hydrogen development. 2. Policy alignment. Ensuring that hydrogen policies align with broader national energy, climate, and economic goals is critical for sustained success. Conclusion. Summary of key findings. 1. The H4D partnership is an essential global initiative to accelerate hydrogen deployment, with ESMAP playing a central role. 2. Economic, technological, and policy challenges need careful consideration and coordinated efforts to overcome. Future outlook. The H4D partnership represents an exciting frontier in the global energy landscape. By addressing key challenges and fostering collaboration, it has the potential to unlock hydrogen's transformative power, particularly in emerging markets and developing countries. The success of this initiative depends on continued collaboration, targeted investments, and aligned policies. As the Chilean Production Development Corporation, Corfo, partnership with H4D illustrates, tailored efforts can lead to remarkable progress in advancing hydrogen as a clean, efficient, and versatile energy solution. The future of the H4D partnership is promising, as long as stakeholders remain committed to its core objectives and work together to realize the full potential of hydrogen in a sustainable energy future. We've journeyed through the World Bank's pioneering investment in Chile's green hydrogen industry, unearthing the potential, challenges, and opportunities it presents. At ReneEnergy, we're dedicated to shining a light on initiatives that shape our renewable future. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Together, we're building a sustainable path forward. Stay connected, stay committed, and see you next time. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.